Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss about a new series of problems and I named them the type 2 problems. So in these type of problems we will discuss the construction of DFA for the languages consisting of strings starting with a particular substring. So in our previous lectures we have discussed about the strings which are accepted by the DFA and they are something like some of them are ending with 0 or some of them are starting with A or something like B and some of them are ending with 0. But into type 2 problems we will going to discuss about the problems or the strings which are accepted by the DFA and they are starting from a particular substring. Like problem 1, draw a DFA for the language accepting the strings starting with AB over the input alphabets A, B. So these things are familiar to us, but the new thing here is this. So here we have to draw a DFA in which the starting string is AB. So let's start. So into these type of problems, our step 1 should be all the strings of language starts with substring AB. So our length of substring will be 2. Thus minimum number of states required in the DFA. So into these type of problems the formula is little change and this is the length of substring plus 2. So here the length of our substring is 2 and plus 2. So the number of states into this DFA will be 4. So our step number 2 will be like this. Step 2, we will construct DFA for the following. The first string will be AB, the second one will be ABA, the third one will be like this ABAB. So all the strings which are starting from AB that will be accepted by our DFA. So let's construct our DFA. So the simplest DFA for these kind of string will be, as we all know, our starting state, then it receive 1, then it enter into a new state, that is Q1, and from the state Q1 we are receiving B and we enter into our next state and that is our final state also. So let me encircle this with another color. So Q2 is our final state. So this is our simplest DFA for this string. Now if we are into the state Q0 and we are receiving B, then where we have to go? So we can't go into the state Q1 because we have to start our string with AB. So here a new state comes into picture and that is our dead state. So when we are into the state Q0 and we are receiving B, we enter into a new state, that is dead state. So it also receives A, B as input. So when we are into the state Q1 and we are receiving B, then we are entering into a new state, that is Q2. But what for A? So if we are into the state number Q1 and we are receiving A, then our string will be go like this: A and B. So this is not our starting string because we have to generate the DFA for the string A, B. So this is wrong. So what we have to do, after receiving A into the state Q1, we have to enter into this dead state. So when we are into the state Q2 and we are receiving A or B, then we retrace into the same state because it is the final state also.